Hello everyone, welcome to Pine Network's configuration tutorial series. This tutorial is slightly different than the ones we are used to doing. In this video, we will go through the steps of installing a network operating system on a whitebox switch. We have a NetCore AS5835 54X whitebox switch in our lab, and we'll go through steps of installing the OcNOS network operating system on it. We can use multiple methods to install the network operating system, such as HTTP, FTP, TFTP, or a USB stick. In this tutorial, we will use the USB stick. The first step is to connect the console port of the switch to my PC using the RJ45 to USB cable that comes with the switch. Then we will boot the switch. During the boot up, the switch asks us if we want to boot on the existing network operating system or go to the ONIE, Open Network Install Environment bootloader. We select ONIE. The ONIE boot menu gives us multiple options. We select Install OS to install a new network operating system. This will automatically install the network operating system on the switch. ONIE will start a discovery process to detect the network operating system. We will stop the discovery process by typing the command ONIE discovery stop, so we can do the installation manually. Then we insert the USB stick that has the OcNOS installer in the USB port of the switch. Then we will mount the USB stick. Once it is mounted, we use the command ONIE NOS install and select the OcNOS installer from the location we mounted it. This will start the installation process. It will take a few minutes to complete. Once the OcNOS installation completes, the switch reboots automatically. When the switch finishes booting up, we can log in with the default username and password, OcNOS and OcNOS. Now that the OcNOS is successfully installed, let's see how we can install the license file. The license file is generated by the sales team at IP Infusion. There are multiple ways to install the license on the switch, such as HTTP, FTP, TFTP, or just transferring the file to the switch. In our example, we will copy the license file from my PC to the switch using our SSH client. To do that, I will connect the Ethernet management port of the switch to the Ethernet port of my PC. I will configure my PC's IP address to be in the same subnet as the switch. Then I SSH into the switch using my SSH client. I use the same client to transfer the license file from PC to the switch. By default, the file is transferred to the /home/ocnos directory. It is important to set the clock on the switch before installing the license to prevent the license install from failing. To set the clock from the enable mode, we use the command clock set followed by the time and date. Then from the enable mode, we use the command license get followed by the location of the license file. Using the show license, we can verify that our license was installed properly. Thank you for watching.